I'm gonna give some three uncommonly used Filipino words and their definitions and solar examples. First is alpas. It means pagkawala o paglaya mula sa pagkagapos o pagkakulong. To break free, to escape, or be set free. Example: alpas na ang ibon mula sa halwa, meaning the bird has broken free from the cage. Kailan kaya tayo makakaalpas sa hirap ng buhay? Means, when we'll be able to break free from the hardships of life. Nais ng bayan ng alpas mula sa katiwalian. The nation wants to break free from corruption. Nakahanap siya ng paraan upang alpas sa nakaraan. Means, she found a way to break free from the past. Second, guni-guni. It means imagination, haka-haka, o bagay na nasa isip lamang. It is illusion, figment of the mind. Example: hindi pala totoo ang nakita ko, guni-guni ko lang. It means, what I saw wasn't real, it was just my imagination. Ang kanyang mga guni-guni ay madalas nagiging inspirasyon sa kanyang tula. His imaginations often become the inspiration for his poems. Akala niya ay may tao sa dilim, ngunit iyon ay guni-guni lamang. She thought there was someone in the dark, but it was just her imagination. Minsan, ang guni-guni ay isang bata ay nagbubukas ng pintuan sa malikhaing pag-iisip. Sometimes, a child's imagination opens the door to creativity. Third, duyog. It means pagtatakip ng isang bagay sa iba. Ginagamit lalo na sa paglalarawan ng eclipse. Eclipse, covering of one celestial body by one another. Example: nagtipon ang mga tao upang panoorin ang duyog ng araw. People gathered to watch the solar eclipse. Sa kasaysayan, itinuturing ang mahiwaga ng bawat duyog. In history, every eclipse was considered mysterious. Ang duyog ay madalas nagbibigay inspirasyon sa mga makata. The eclipse often inspires poet. Huwag direktang tumingin sa duyog ng araw nang walang proteksyon. Do not look directly at the solar eclipse without protection. That's all.